Me. And I wondered, yes, who asked you? 'Cause I sure as hell didn't. Hey guys, so today I am talking about opinions. I have them, you have them, everybody has opinions. The issue is though, some people fail to realize that their opinions do not need to be heard. Like, if I do not ask you for your opinion, do not give it to me, because most likely what you're going to say is going to piss me off. Some people will literally take their opinions and throw it at you. Like, damn! Like, they be running up on you with their opinions, and they need to be careful because sometimes people say shit and that might get them fucking popped. Also, people think, let me tell this person what I think about them. Why? Your opinion doesn't define who I am. Like I always tell people, what someone thinks about me is none of my business. Why am I going to be worrying and pondering what somebody thinks? I'm not going to sit there and try to change who I am to please anybody, because if you try to please one crowd, another crowd's going to be upset and vice versa. So people need to just live their life however they want to live it, because people are going to be mad regardless. People really need to learn how to just keep their opinions to themselves. So this is what I always say. This is some people's opinions. And this is an ass, Bart's to be exact. They can just take it and shove it, oh my gosh, and shove it right up their fucking ass. Just shove it and let it go away. Because I don't give a fuck. And neither should you. So people can take their opinions and sit on it and rotate.